Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Homepage, your computer and internet show. I'm Amber MacArthur. Coming up on today's show, how your PDA can work the same as your PC, and how to watch movies on your Bell Mobility cell phone. Also, it's tax time again, and we're going to check out some software to make your job easier. We'll also find out how you can watch some of your favorite Chum programs on Juiced. Plus, Andy Walker will be taking your calls and tech questions a little bit later in the show. But first, now you can do just about everything with your PDA Windows Mobile 6. You can get your computer experience the same on the big screen as the small screen. And here to explain is Sean Sutton. Hi, Sean.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
What you see in front of you here today is a wide variety of Windows Mobile devices that allow you to expand the experience that you have today.
So basically you have 5 different devices that are here that will allow people to understand what exactly you can see with all of the different Windows programs on your phone.
That's correct. All of these devices here are Windows Mobile powered devices. This is the HP 6955 from Rogers, and it's a very full-fledged screen and a great experience in terms of a very similar experience to that on your PC. Very quickly here we have the UT Starcom 6700 that has the slide-out keyboard. You can see that this as well has a very different form factor than a traditional type PDA.
So the entire Windows mobile program can work on each one of these devices, and it will be seamless. It will look the same as it looks on your PC.
That's correct. And if you look at this device here, this is the Palm Trio 700W. And on this device here, I'll spend a little bit of time sort of taking you through some examples. Here is a typical inbox, if you will, that's a typical Outlook experience, similar to that you would have on your PC, whether that PC is in your home or in your office. And if I just click on a file here, a typical email that would come into your inbox, and open that up, you get a very good view of what a typical file might look like. There's a Word file, I'm not sure if you can see it there. There's a Word file attached in this particular file.
So we can't see it too well, but the idea is that you can actually download the Word file onto your little PDA.
That's
you can
correct.
open it up, and then you can also use the Word file. You can edit it, you can make changes, and really also then send it back using the PDA as well.
Absolutely, and this is all wirelessly synchronizing with your PC, whether it's your home PC or your PC in the office. Here's another form factor called the Motorola Q. Again, powered by Windows Mobile. You can see here a very similar experience to that's in your office. If I was to, quickly again, I'm not sure if you can see it here, but if I was to quickly go over to the Windows Media Player, and whether, again, you're at a bus stop, whether you're traveling home and you have the opportunity, whether you're standing on the sidelines at a soccer field watching your kids' aerobics class, you have the opportunity, if you will, to look at music and play that music very effectively on your Windows Mobile device.
So in some ways, this is like turning the PDA into a little MP3 player, so a music player as well.
That's correct. What's interesting about these devices is they do span both the professional experience and the personal experience. And so when you think about a typical day, whether you're looking at editing and managing your Microsoft Office applications on the mobile device, or whether you're looking to get that full-fledged music experience on the device, you do have the opportunity to span both spectrums.
So really for those people who, they have a home office or they work in an office and they really need to have all of those applications available on the go, it's a good option to be able to take them with you and sync them up, and then you don't need to really worry about always being tied to a desktop or a laptop computer.
That's correct. And some of the research we've done, more than half of the professionals in this country are traveling outside of the office more than 2 days a week, even if that's down the hall at another business, or whether it's around the country at another city or around the globe. They're looking to stay connected to the experience they have in the office.
So how does someone actually go about getting this software onto their mobile device?
So all of these devices are available across Bell Mobility, TELUS Mobility, and Rogers Wireless today, and starting at prices as low as $79 on a 3-year plan. And again, they're all available across the 3 mobile operators today.
So not a bad price.
Yeah.
To be able to be at the beach and keep doing work.
That's right.
That's what I'm thinking about. All right, thank you so much. And remember that Homepage is interactive and we want to hear from you. We'll be answering your questions a little bit later in the show.